A large portion of our business is commercial business, and we help property and facility managers recover from disaster in many ways. Some of the ways that we help property and facility managers recover are response time, subject matter expertise, system services, and more. We are just over 1 mile from the urban core of Nashville, and so oftentimes in emergency services, minutes matter. And so being able to respond quickly and help mitigate the problem from becoming a disaster is essential. Another thing that we offer is consultation. Our teams are subject matter experts, and they have the experiential knowledge, our combined institutional knowledge, the power of 50+ years of SERVPRO combined expertise, as well as industry certifications in a variety of services where we can be a subject matter expert to help you make the very best decision possible in order to safeguard your property. When our teams respond helping property and facility managers recover from disaster, we see ourselves as an extension of them, an extension of their company, helping them safeguard the building and return it to a sense of normal as soon as possible as they protect the buildings that are under their care.